Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. In this video we are going to say Wipro not sending result to the interview candidate, third phase not hiring. What about the recent interview, why they are doing everything I am going to explain now. Before going to that, watch my channel. I am providing everything to you. Just subscribe to my channel, you may get more update about Infosys interviews, Amazon company, Wipro, why we are not sending the registration, paid internship, free internship, everything I am explaining daily. So continue watching my channel, then only you may get a full update from you for your good life in future. You click your bell button, it will be helpful for you to get a notification. So let's go to the video and watch the video till end and don't skip it. And the first one will be why not hiring for 2022 batch in this year. They may hire once again. The third phase we are applied, but still no update from them. They mentioned it, they are going to finish the third hiring in May month itself, but June over July it started. Because due to exams they are postponing, they mentioned in the Google page, but the exams over for all over India for IIT, MIT, Anna University, Kerala University, everything it's over, but still they are not conducting that third phase. Why? Because of the exam they mentioned starting, but now they didn't mention anything. If I contact with my seniors in Wipro, those who are working, they are saying we will hire soon in the August or September. They are saying, they are telling, sorry guys. So just wait it. So don't panic. Nothing won't be there. And next one will be third phase hiring not selected, and 80 days over, no interview update in Wipro. What student should wait or not, otherwise apply for another company. 50% selection, rejection, everything we are mentioning here. In this we are going to see detailedly one thing. So the first one will be, what about the student mentality in Wipro, whether we may get a selection mail or rejection mail or 50% rejection, 50% selection. It depends upon only Wipro company based on their collecting project from all over the world, and the client it's taken somewhat time. It will be like this only, based on the project only they will take the candidate from Wipro, from freshers or experienced candidate. Without anything they won't take it and keep it in a bench for paying monthly salary. They won't do like before years. So student mentality, we may attend interview 80 days over, not get any update. What we should do, so apply as much side by side company and get an offer letter. It will be helpful for you. So don't panic and be cool always, and if you got any job opportunity you can join. Nothing won't be there. And next one we are going to see overthinking in selection or rejection, whether we may select or reject, otherwise we should wait for another 6 months. Don't wait, don't worry guys, be cool always and apply another country. So many companies I am providing here today. Also almost 8 companies I have provided in the videos. So watch the video and don't think on and don't trust only Wipro. Wipro will do anything at last. So don't be overthinking. In Wipro we may select, we have done a good interview, so nothing won't be there. They will suddenly send rejection mail. No one can ask anything. So please apply another company, it will be helpful for you. And why they are doing like this, based on their project only they will take clearly mentioned they should take the project all over the world. You are thinking what is the project they will take for app development, app development, client, call center, so many domains they are having. So based on that only they will hire the freshers for all over India and all over the world. So if they don't have any project at right now, means they will send back to them after 1 year bond. So you should get any backup offer letter every time and while you are working in Wipro. Means any selection process or rejection process, it depends upon your 50%. Like I already told, this is full Wipro thing only. And what about the recent interview, good or bad? Last week before, few of the guys attend their interview in June 22, 27, and the rescheduled interviews happened. Everything they just ask about the only HR calls, introduction, why should I hire you, what is your role in your project, explain your project, and do you want to sign 1 year bond, relocates. Just simply 5 to 6 questions they are asking. So the student asked me whether we may select or not, otherwise I should wait for another 80 days. It depends upon only whether they need a candidate from their own path of state, they can take you, otherwise they won't take you. So wait and watch, we met, but don't be full on trusting Wipro, we may get it. Apply another company. Once again I am saying we can wait or not for this company. So in my point of view, don't wait, get any another offer letter and start working. If you got a job after if you join means after getting an offer letter, you may take at least 30 days of providing certification verification. After a 6-month training in online in work mode only. So hardly it will take over 6 to 7 months in my point of view. Whether if you get a selection mail and offer letter, the training starts also, you may relieve from your old company. So join in any other company without bond. So Wipro having 1 year bond. If you want to break, you should pay 1.5 lakhs to them. So this all their hiring process, why they are not doing everything I am explained. So don't be overthink, don't be panic or don't tension in your mind. Now if anything happened, you don't worry, I am there with you. So if you have any doubt while filling the interview result, anything, you just comment me in the comment.